Welcome to your science class. Today in a class, we are going to see about lesson 1 laws of motion. This is a part 4 video, lesson 1. Today in a class, we are going to learn Newton's first law of motion onwards, rotating effect of force, moment of the force, application of torque, principles of moments, and apply Newton concept of force. Okay, so likewise we are going to see the first one. We are going to see about that in a rotating effect of force. It is based on that Newton first law of motion. Okay, so rotating effect of force, the axis of a fixed edge which the door is rotated is called the axis of rotation. Actually, have you observed the position of the handle in a door? டோரில் எந்த பொசிஷனில் உங்களுக்கு ஹேண்டில் வச்சுருப்பாங்க பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? மோஸ்ட்லி சென்டர், அதாவது அந்த ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து மெஜாரிட்டி எங்கே கிடைக்குமோ அந்த பிளேஸில் வந்து பேஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஓகேயா? ஸோ த ஆக்சிஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபிக்ஸ்டு எட்ஜ் அபவுட் விச் த டோர் இஸ் ரொட்டேட்டட் இஸ் கால்டு த ஆக்சிஸ் ஆஃப் த ரொட்டேஷன். ஸோ அந்த எட்ஜோட ஃபோர்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக எங்கே வந்து இங்கே ரொட்டேட் ஆகுதோ அதான் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ டோர் இட் இஸ் இன் ஒன் சைட் இட் இஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ்டு எட்ஜ் இஸ் தேர். Okay, so that is we called as in a axis of rotation. Okay, இங்கே வந்து axis of rotation it is given as in a z. Okay அம்மா, so this is only axis of rotation. அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த டோர் வந்து மூவ் ஆகுது. Okay, so another one, fix one end to the wall, apply a force at the another end tangentially. Okay, இப்போ ரெண்டாவது வந்து என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், we are taken as in a spanner. Okay, so one end வந்து நம்ம அதில் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம், another one we are given a force to that. Okay, given a force means the rod will be turned around the fixed point is called the point of rotation. ஸோ அதோட ஃபிக்ஸ்டு பொசிஷனை பேஸ் பண்ணி அந்த ராட் மூவ் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா that is we called as in a point of rotation. Okay, here is the point of rotation is it. Okay, so next one, moment of the force. Moment of the force, the rotating or turning effect of the force about a fixed point or fixed axis is called the point of force. About the point or torque. Okay, so that is what it is given means the rotating or turning effect of the force. Okay, so rotating force or turning force. Okay, so what on which it is basis means it is working in a fixed axis. Okay, fixed axis on which it is rotating. Okay, so that fixed point only we called as in a torque. Okay, that point we called as in a torque. The rotating effect we called as in a moment of force. Okay, so we are torque we want to mention means torque equal to F into D. Torque is a F into D. Okay, so that is torque is a vector quantity. It is able to show that in a that is in a direction clockwise or anti-clockwise. It is able to mention its unit is a Newton meter. Newton meter, it is able to ask in one word what is unit of the torque, or otherwise torque definition asking in a 2 mark, it is repeatedly asking question. Okay, so next one is a moment of couple. Okay, this is the example to you. Okay, one wheel is there, the wheel both the side both the direction onwards equal force. Okay, first racket also in a equal force, second racket also in a equal force, both it is in a equal force but opposite direction, unlike parallel force and parallel direction. Okay, that is opposite direction on which it is working means what it happen na, it make to rotate that in a object. Do you understand? The wheel able to rotate. This is only, it is given in this in a picture also. It is likewise only, or two opposite direction onwards working in a force, and equal force means it make to rotate that in a object. The two distance between that in a force we called as in a d. Sorry, distance. The distance in between that in a, the force in between the distance we called as in a d. Okay, so we are able to mention as in a, this is we called as in a moment of couple. Couple not two force it is acting on a opposite direction make to rotate that in a object. In this principle only we are using in a turning a tap and winding and unwinding a screw and spinning of a tap. Okay, so likewise we are using that in a this principal method only. Okay, moment of couple. Moment of couple, how you are able to calculate means force into perpendicular distance between the line of action of a force. Two forces in between distance, that is we mention as in a S here. Okay, in a torque we mention as in a D. In a couple of force we are mention as in a S. That is moment of the couple equal to F into S. Okay, that's only it is in a formula for you. We are able to find the magnitude of that in a moment of couple. It's SI unit is a Newton meter, and CGS system unit is in a dyne centimeter. That is Newton instead of we are using that in a dyne, meter instead of we are using that in a centimeter. That's all only. CGS means centimeter, gram, and then second. Okay, that system we are following in a dyne centimeter. Okay ma. So next one is the moment of couple. Moment of couple, the same thing, but it is I already mentioned it is having in a direction, because it is a vector quantity. It is able to mention a direction. So it is how it is in a direction. It is able to rotate in a clockwise moment or in a anti-clockwise moment. Yes, clockwise moment means in a clock direction it is in a rolling. Anti-clockwise means opposite direction, in a clockwise direction it is able to rotate. Okay, so the direction that we want to put mention as in a plus or minus. Okay, how we are able to put the direction of force or couple is taken as positive. Okay, when the body is rotated in a anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means what it is? It is a positive. Anti-clockwise means it is in a positive. Okay, so and then that is a clockwise direction means it is in a negative. It is mentioned as in a negative. This is a positive, this is a negative. Okay, likewise we want to mention. Okay, the next one is the application of torque. Torque is what it is mentioned. The point, the force acting on a point only we mention as a torque. It is able to make us rotate the object. Okay. So what are the application is there means so much of application there. But in your book given us only three only. The first one is a gear. Here driving car only given, but actually in a cycle gear also it is working among that in a this principle only. Back side wheel and the front side your feet down also one gear is there. Yes, both wheel it is working in the wheel, that is gear means what Rama? Gear means that is it is having us in a teeth, and it is in a circular wheel like structure having a teeth rounded it in a rim. Okay, yeah. So what it does happen means it helps to change the speed of rotation of a wheel by changing the torque. Okay, center point la nama force increase பண்ணோம்னா அதோட change வந்து increase ஆகும். So this is the principle only we are using that in a transmit power also. Okay, the next one is steering torque. Steering wheel onwards also it is working in the same formula only. Torque வந்து நம்ம transfer பண்ற மூலமா நம்ம effort வந்து less வந்து நம்மளால reduce பண்ண முடியும். Okay, so next one பார்த்தோம்னா seesaw. Seesaw, most of you have played on a seesaw, since there is a difference in the weight of a person sitting on it. Yes, Tama. heavier person lifts the lighter person. When the heavier person comes closer to the pivot point, pivot not center point, that is a fulcrum, the distance of the line of the force decrease. Okay, distance is decrease, அதாவது ரெண்டு பேர் ஈக்குவலாக வர்றப்ப distance decrease ஆகுது. So only it is able to lift that in a heavier person by a lighter person. லைட்டர் பர்சனால ஹெவியர் பர்சனை என்ன பண்ண முடியும், லிஃப்ட் பண்ண முடியும். பிகாஸ் டியூ டு தட் இன் அ டார்க் ஒன்லி. ஃபல்க்ரம் இட் இஸ் ஆக்டிங் ஆன் அ டார்க். ஓகே, next one is the principle of moment. When a number of like or unlike parallel force act on a rigid body, ஒரு சென்டராக இருக்க பாடி மேலே பேரலாவோ அண்ட் அன்பேரலாவோ என்ன ஆகுது, ஃபோர்ஸஸ் வந்து ஒர்க் ஆகுது. த algebraic sum of that in a clockwise direction is equal to the algebraic direction of the anti-clockwise direction. So it is able to mention, இங்கே வந்து என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, சென்ட்ரலாக சீசா மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கோங்க, சென்ட்ரலாக வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து இதில் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்குது, F1ல வந்து இன்க்ரீஸாக இருக்குது, டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து கம்மியாக இருக்குது. இங்கே ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து கம்மியாக இருக்குது, பட் ஆனால் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸாக இருக்குது. ஓகேயா? ஸோ ஒன் இட் இஸ்னா கிளாக்வைஸோட அல்ஜிபிரிக் சம்னா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். F2வையும் D2வையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, இட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு தட் இன் F1 அண்டு இன்டு D2. அதான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. மொமெண்ட் இன் கிளாக்வைஸ் டைரக்ஷன் ஈக்குவல் டு மொமெண்ட் இன் ஆன்டி கிளாக்வைஸ் டைரக்ஷன். ஸோ இப்போ நம்மளே ஒரு சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் வச்சுட்டு ஒரு சைடு ஃபோர்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸாகவும் ஒரு சைடு கம்மியாகவும் கொடுத்துட்டு, பட் ஆனால் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஈக்குவலாக இல்லாமல் வச்சா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ இந்த பிரின்சிபல் நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா, பிரின்சிபல் ஆஃப் மொமெண்ட். ஏன் வந்து பிரின்சிபல் ஆஃப் மொமெண்ட் ரெண்டு சைடும் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபோர்ஸ் கம்மியாக இருந்தாலும் எப்படி அதால் பேலன்ஸ் பண்ண முடியுது அப்படின்னா, ரீசன் that is algebraic sum of that in a distance and the force, it is equal to that in a anti-clockwise algebraic sum of a force and distance. This is only it is reason for that in a maintain a balance. Okay, principle of moment. You have a practical also regarding to that. Okay, that is it is able to maintain a equilibrium. Okay ma. So practical we see it in a next class. Do the worksheet in a neat manner. Thank you. Today in a class, what are the things we are see means, you know that is rotating effect of a force, moment of force, moment of couple, and application of torque and principle of moments. We saw that. Okay, thank you.